How to export data from Monday.com. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Click on your board in Monday.com and locate the 3-dot menu in the top right corner. This menu provides various board options, including export features. 2. Select Export from the drop-down menu. You will see options to export data in different formats, such as Excel or CSV. 3. Choose your preferred format based on how you plan to use the data. CSV is best for spreadsheets, while Excel retains formatting. 4. If needed, select specific columns or filters to refine the exported data. This step ensures you get only relevant information. 5. Click Export to generate the file. Monday.com will process your request, and a download link will appear once it's ready. 6. Save the exported file to your device. Check the folder where downloads are stored to access the file later. 7. Open the file in Excel or any spreadsheet tool to review and use your data. You can now analyze or share the exported information as needed.